Hello, my friends, and welcome to the last week of October. I know you are getting excited because Halloween is on Saturday, but let's make it a great week until then. Here we go. First, the month is October. I see that yesterday was Sunday and it was October 25th. If yesterday was the 25th, then today is the 26th and the last Monday. If you see, we have had 4 Mondays in October. Let's write our date in number form. October 26, 2020. Let's write out our date. October 26, 2020. As I already said, yesterday was Sunday, which makes today Monday. That means tomorrow will be Tuesday. Filling out how many days we've been in school, I see that we had been in for 27 days. If we had been in for 27 and we add one more, what is that now? It's 2 ones for 20. 8 ones, which makes 28. Let's go down here and make 28 cents. All right, I'm going to get my quarter. 25, 26, 27, 28. All right, some of these words might be a little new, so make sure that you're practicing these every day. Ben, being, want, word, Mrs., work. Let's see our number, 80. Let's count backwards today. Where's 80? Where's 80, guys? There it is. Let's count backwards by 10, starting at 80. 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Go work, go work. Let me get our middle number, 20. What's 1 less than 20? 19. What's 1 more? 21. 10 less. So look at your tens place. Take 1 away. What do you have? 10. What's 10 more? Look at our tens place. Add 1 more. 30. All right, let's get our, not a big number today. 23. Do I start right here in the hundreds? No. It's just 20. Oopsies. 3. I have 10. Yo, I think I'm struggling this morning. I have 2 10s and 3 1s. So let's put our number here. If I add 1 more 100, if I add 100, what number is that? 123. We are going to skip 100 less. Make it a great day today, you guys.